Hi, I'm Sheila San Gregorio from Angona Rizal, a Teacher 1 applicant in high school level. Today, I will be showing you the skills that I learned during the training in computer literacy course. First, let me give you a short description of this course. Computer literacy is described as the knowledge and ability to effectively utilize computers and related technology, with skill levels ranging from basic computer use to advanced problem solving. It can also refer to a person's ability to use computer programs and applications. Understanding how computers work and operate is another important aspect. The programs we will be focusing on today is Microsoft Office. What is the importance of Microsoft Office to students and teachers? Microsoft Office can assist teachers and students in developing new and innovative learning and teaching approaches. It has a strong presence in the teaching learning process. It has now become the most widely used educational program. It provides teachers and students with a number of general relative advantages in the teaching and learning process. Teachers can make the learning process more effective by using Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Let's have Microsoft Word. Here are Word document tools at the top of this window. These are tools which we often use, but we don't know what is it called. First is title bar. It displays the document name and the application. The document name or a file name for this document is Build Demo. It comes with minimize, maximize, and close button. Next is menu bar. Here's the menu bar. It contains the list of menus available inside the Word. Each menu contains a specific set of commands. Menu bar is consists of tabs such as File, Home, Insert, Design, Layout, Preferences, Mailings, Review, View, Help. And each tab has its commands. Next is Toolbar. Toolbar has its two types. It could be standard toolbar or formatting toolbar. We don't see the standard toolbar anymore in this version because they are now located in some menu tabs since we are currently using Microsoft Word 2019. However, we can still use its functions by using this clipboard and shortcut keys. Next is Formatting Toolbar. It contains a list of formatting options available inside the Format menu. These are the formatting toolbar. These groups, font groups, paragraph styles, and each set has its commands, such as from font group, we have font style, font size, increase and decrease font size, change case, bold, italic, underline, highlight, font color commands. From paragraph group, we have here bullets, numbering, list, decrease and increase indent, sort, left, center, right, justify alignment commands, line and paragraph spacing, styles, and many more. Next is horizontal and vertical rulers. Here's the horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. They are used for measurement purposes like any normal ruler. The default unit of measure is in inches. So, how can we use these rulers? When we want to adjust things in this area, or if we want to adjust paragraphs, text in this area. So let's try it. Let's put the insertion point here beside the standard toolbar, and let's hold this hourglass-like button. Try to move it, and as you can see, the standard toolbar is moving towards right or in the desired indentation. Next is white page area. It is the space area where you type, edit, and format your document. It is a bond paper like. It is an area where we are currently working on. Next is insertion point. It is the blinking vertical line that indicates the position on the screen where text or graphics will be placed. Can you see this small vertical thing blinking? I can only put or insert text there. Sample, my name, Sheila San Gregorio. Or if you want to place an insertion there, on the other hand, you can also put your name there as well. Okay. Next is task pane. It is a small window within the word window that provides shortcuts to commonly used tasks. Let's click this drop down button at the upper right corner of styles. I'll be moving this camera for us to see the task pane, the whole task pane, and I'll do it again. And we don't need to go here because all functions, all styles have already shown in this pane. So you just have to choose which styles would you like to use to. Do you want normal, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2? Next is scroll bars. They are used to move up and down or left and right in a document. Let's say I'm supposed to check the first page of this document. You just have to use your mouse and hold this vertical scroll bar and scroll it up. I want to go back. You just have to scroll it down. And for us to see the horizontal scroll bar, you just have to minimize or to make the window small for us to see the horizontal scroll bar. So, and it will appear. Here's this horizontal scroll bar. I can move it from left to right, left to right, left to right. Okay. Next is status bar. It displays the details such as the page number the user is working on, section number, page number out of the total pages found in the document, line number, column number, etc. So where we are in, here we are in page 2 out of 8 pages. And how many words did I type already here? We have 1,306 words. It is English language. Next, let's do Microsoft Word, working and editing with files. So let's create a new document. Let's click this file tab. From the menu bar, select new, and this is the task pane where we can see a blank document. Just click it and it will lead us in a new document. And as you can see, an insertion point is blinking where we can start typing and where we can start inserting text. Let's say I'll be making a short quiz in Philippine history and the lesson was about Battle of Mactan. Okay. I'll be putting here the direction. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. Okay. Let's put a blank here before the number, and let's start with this question. Where did the Battle of Mactan take place? Okay, since this is a multiple choice type formative assessment, we will be adding numbers or letters here for the choices. So let's go to this set of commands. Let's click this numbering, and I'll be choosing this capital letters alignment. And here are my choices: Bohol, Cebu, and Leyte. And I have an item already here. However, I noticed that the direction does not support the number one item I made, because it says here encircle the letter of the correct answer, but the first item has a blank. Students might be confused with the direction I made or with the direction I wrote, so I need to remove some words or delete some words from the direction. So before we delete some words here, let's do selecting text. You can either highlight this using your mouse or triple click consecutive clicks within the direction. But I just need to select a word. So I need to remove this and circle. I'll be putting the cursor here in front of the word. Double click if it is just a word, and I'll be changing it to right. Write the letter of the correct answer on the space provided. Okay. And it seems that there is a grammatical issue in the direction, and I need to know that. So I supposed to use in instead of on. And by the way, this app corrects my grammar. This is a grammar app. So let's delete this word by using delete and backspace keys from your keyboard. If you want to delete text to the left, press backspace. But if you want to delete text to the right, use delete key. And I'll be putting I here. And I'm done with the directions. So let's proceed to the next item. But before that, let's assume that the subject head noticed that there's no heading on my short quiz, and I need to adjust everything. So I need to move this direction with an item. So how can we do that? We need to select them all. You can use this group, editing group. Click select all, and it will be highlighted, the entire document. And I need to cut this. I need to move this. Click this cut command from clipboard, and it will be gone. And let us move this insertion point downward by pressing enter key. And I'll be pasting here the entire document. And There you have it. Now I can freely put the heading here. So let's put the heading here. Let's put the school, Mabuting Paaralan High School, here in Rizal Province. School year 2021 to 2022. Subject, Philippine history. Okay. And I want this heading to be in the center. You just have to select them. Click this center alignment command. And I want this to be more brighter or to be strong. Just select them again and click this bold. Okay, so let's add name. Line for their names. Section. B. And to finish this quiz or short quiz, some items are in another file, so let's get them. Again, no need to close this or minimize this. You just have to go to File tab, select Open, Browse, and this box will appear. Here's the left and right task pane. So let's find the location, the desktop, where we can see a file, short quiz. Click open, and here we go. Let's select them all. Click select all. But this time we don't need to use cut commands or cut command from clipboard. We will follow, or we will use shortcut key by following this key sequence, Control plus C, and this entire document will be copied on the clipboard. So let's go back to our last document. Make sure that the insertion point is in appropriate area. Okay, this time no need to use this paste command from clipboard. I'll be using shortcut key by following this key sequence, Control plus V as in victory. And here we are. I think I'm done with my quiz. Let's save this quiz. 1 to 5, check, double check. Let's save this. Select save. Browse. And don't forget to put its file name. And this short quiz would be quiz number 1 in Philippine history. Click save, and I'm done saving this file. Now I'll be printing this. Select file, click print, and this is the print preview. Make sure that your printer is online and the cable wire of the printer as well is already installed in your laptop or your personal computer. How many copies? Let's say 30 copies. What page? Page 1. And just click this print icon. Let's assume that I'm done printing. I'm done everything. Now I'll be closing this file by clicking this file tab again, close,
And you may also use this close icon for us to close everything. And that's it.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned from this video.